Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that your entire life, your memories, your family, and even the stars in the sky are nothing more than lines of code in a massive supercomputer. It sounds like a movie, but some of the world's greatest minds, from Elon Musk to Neil deGrasse Tyson, believe there is a 99% chance that we are living in a simulation. I'm Techy Jutt, and today we are breaking the fourth wall of the universe. We are looking for the glitches in our reality and uncovering the secret evidence that suggests we are characters in the most advanced video game ever created. Buckle up, because once you see the truth, you can never go back to the way things were. The foundation of the simulation theory lies in the staggering speed of technological progress. Think back to 40 years ago when we had Pong, 2 rectangles and a dot on a screen. Now, we have photorealistic virtual reality, where millions of people play simultaneously in worlds that look almost exactly like our own. If you assume any rate of improvement at all, games will eventually become indistinguishable from reality. Once a civilization reaches that level, they would likely create ancestor simulations to study their past. Mathematically speaking, there would be billions of these simulations, but only one base reality, which means the odds of us being in the original world are billions to 1. Scientists have started looking for the pixels of our universe to prove this theory. In physics, there is a limit to how small something can be, called the Planck length. If you try to look at anything smaller, the laws of physics break down. This is exactly how a computer game works. If you zoom in far enough on a digital image, you eventually hit the pixels. Furthermore, the laws of physics are based entirely on mathematical constants that seem fine-tuned for life. If gravity or the speed of light were even slightly different, the universe wouldn't exist. To many experts, this looks less like a cosmic accident and more like a carefully written piece of software code designed to run a stable simulation. Finding these specific man-made mathematical structures in the deep fabric of spacetime is like finding the programmer signature at the bottom of a painting. It's a secret that the scientific community is still struggling to explain. We also have to consider the Mandela effect, the phenomenon where thousands of people remember history differently than it actually happened. While skeptics call it a trick of the mind, simulation theorists believe these could be hot patches or updates to the system. Imagine the programmers changing a small detail in the code, but the old data remains in the memories of some NPCs or players. From minor logo changes to entire historical events, these collective glitches suggest that our reality is being edited in real time. For the Techy Jutt audience, this is the ultimate hack. The realization that the world around us is not as solid as it seems. If we are in a simulation, who is the programmer? Some believe it's a future version of the human race, while others think it's an extraterrestrial intelligence using our universe as a massive data experiment. This brings up the question of admin controls. Could there be ways to cheat or manipulate the code of our reality? Practices like deep meditation, high-level physics, and even some mysterious ancient rituals might be attempts to access the console commands of the simulation. If we can understand the code, we might be able to change our environment, teleport, or even achieve a form of digital immortality by transferring our consciousness to a different server. As we move towards 2030 and our own VR technology becomes perfect, we will essentially become the gods of our own simulations. This will create a nested simulation, a game within a game within a game. This loop proves that creating lifelike realities is a natural step for any advanced civilization. Whether this realization makes you feel small or empowers you, it changes everything about how we view success, failure, and existence itself. You are part of something much bigger than a physical planet. You are part of a cosmic calculation. Stay tuned with Techy Jutt as we continue to hunt for the exit of the Matrix. The game is on, and it's time to play.